Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Weather. Every day I'm gonna have certain stock I will talk about and do gap analysis on. And today is SPY and Nvda. So yes, we're gonna start with Nvda, and I gotta admit that Nvda is like the toughest stock to analyze because the battlefield has changed drastically based on different hype cycle. And to do this right, we're gonna have to take every major event into consideration until we can zoom in into current minor events such as DeepSeek and this week earning. Alright, let's begin with the crash of 2020. We're gonna measure this real quick. It only went down 43%. Well, that is significant, but clearly just a drop in the bucket. Oh boy. Alright, now this should be a good measurement from the 2020 crash, and now we can eliminate this. We don't need more distraction. And now we're gonna take another measurement from after we had a good run after the whole video game thing and Bitcoin was crashing. So as you can see, we had a significant crash of 70%. Which is holy cow. If you had the balls to hold that during this crash, my friend, you have diamond balls. Oh wow. But we're gonna take another measurement from this point. Alright, now we had an explosion right there. It may not be a crash, but clearly something transformed the market drastically, and I think that's just the whole AI cycle booming even further. But that drastic change should be measured as well. So if there's a lot of new players that just came in, it changed the very foundation of the structure of how it is traded. So that's why we're gonna take another measurement right here. Alright, last but not least, we're gonna check the micro zone. And there has been a lot of volatility because of DeepSeek. So because we're doing micro, we're gonna use Hakinashi and take a quick measurement of what's going on right now. Alright, and as we can see, we got a nice rejection from the top here. And that means, in my opinion, that the downtrend might continue this week if this rejection continue. But who knows, this earning might change everything and we might just break through this like it was butter. We don't know how good their earnings gonna be. But as far as I can tell, it looks like we're gonna keep doing another wave of downtrend. That would be the third wave. Either way, this week's gonna be a fun, excited week for Nvda. And if you're a trader, best of luck. Oh, by the way, if Nvda were to continue to go on a downtrend, we would be looking at another probably 10% down, most likely. And I would expect it to bounce around this area. Best of luck. Now we can talk about the S&P 500, aka SPY. Alright, for SPY, we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're just gonna take measurement from every major downtrend and then project them forward. Alright, for this week, it doesn't really look like we're very close to any major line for sure, except this one, quite possibly. But we are very close to a top, so that might be the beginning of a new downtrend cycle that may start. Who knows? We've been on a very, very good long run so far. That has lasted, let's see, pretty much straight line up for the past 480 days. So we've been doing great. Now obviously we had a hiccup over here, but for the most part, yeah, it's been a very easy past 2 years. That might come to an end. Hopefully not. With the whole AI hype cycle, it might keep blowing through it like it's nothing, and my bet is always on AI anyway, so oh yeah, one last thing, we need to measure the micro uptrend we're having so far and see what's going on there. All right, so it looks like we're barely touching the bottom of this micro trend. So if I was a betting man, I would say it's gonna keep going up, but what do I know? I'm just a guy in the internet. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.